Okay, in this video, I'm going to do a short demonstration on how to have your camera and microphone in your classroom set to off as you enter a class or a meeting on Zoom. Okay, so this could be for any online teachers, anyone who communicates to other people with meetings or other reasons on Zoom. So, it's pretty simple. Now, I'm going to give you one quick trick right now, which is that if on a Mac, if you hit Command, comma on Zoom, I'm gonna do it right now. It brings up your general settings, okay? And on a PC or Windows computer, you could hit Control comma. Okay, that's just a keyboard shortcut for your settings in most applications. Most applications use that. Okay, so first we're gonna start off by tackling the video. We're gonna have the video off. Now, let me just be clear. Personally, I like the video off and the microphone off because sometimes the students aren't there at the beginning of the class, and I'm not interested in having my voice in my picture recorded as in the classroom when there's no one there to interact with. So I'd rather open the camera and the microphone when there are students in there. So that's my strategy. Okay, so video, okay, video menu, all right, and this is the only thing that you have to do. This check mark, make sure this one is checked. It says stop my video when joining a meeting. That's it. That's all you have to do for the video, okay? And then the audio is down below here too. Look at this. Right here. This check mark, right? Mute my mic when joining a meeting. That's it. Make sure that's checked. Okay, so that's the whole video for today. If you found this video helpful, please do boop that like button so this video can reach more people. And also, if you enjoy the updates that I bring every Wednesday, go ahead and subscribe down below, okay? And I'll bring more. And if you have any ideas or comments of what you would like me to share with everyone in the coming weeks, please do comment below. But anyway, wherever you are in the world, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next week.